Good morning children, how are you all? I hope everyone are fine. So today I am going to start a new lesson for second standard. That is the lesson name is present for grandmother. Present for grandmother. So here, so you can see in this lesson, so when you have holidays, you visit to your granny house. No children? Do you? Yeah, you visit to your granny house. The same way here, we have two children named Sahil and Meena. So here they were living in town. So they have to go in summer. They had holidays after this school. So in summer, that is in every year vacation, they used to go visit her granny's home. And this year also they wanted to visit their granny's home. So we'll see what happened in the lesson. A present for grandmother. Sahil and Meena, his younger sister, live in a big town. So Sahil, Meena, and they had younger sister also, but they have not given her name here. So here they wanted to visit their granny's home. Their grandma lives in a house on the hills. So it was in a maybe in the village. So it is they had a hilly area. It was in hilly area. So her grandma was living in a house. Sahil and Meena visit their grandmother every summer. So in their vacation, they used to visit her granny every year. Okay. So now we are going to see the trip to the market. So whether they are going with their grandmother or they are going alone, we can see here. So what is the lesson name? See here, a present for grandmother. So they wanted to present her grandmother a thing that would be very useful to her. So they wanted to think and buy a present for her. Grandmother, children, will you go to Mohanlal's shop for me? Meena and Sahil together. Of course they will. Grandmother, you can walk to the shop. It's not far. It's not far. Be careful when you are crossing the road. So here Sahil and Meena decided to go for Mohanlal shop. So it was a grocer's shop. So they wanted to buy things. Actually the grandmother wanted to go there. So when the children came to her home, so she told both of them to bring the things from Mohanlal store. So here of course the two children were ready to go for the market, for the shop. So here the grandmother started to give instructions. So every grannies or the parents, whenever you go out, they will give you instruction to how to cross the road. No children, how to cross the road, how you have to walk in the roads and all. Same way here, the granny was giving instruction to how to cross the road and all for the for Meena and Sahil. Be careful when you cross the road. She gives Sahil the money and the list. So whenever you go to the grocer's shop, so your parents or anyone who you go to bring, so what they do, they give you a list and a amount to bring that things. So here even the granny gave the list and some money to bring the things. They walk down the hills and reach the main road. As they cross, if they see Mohanlal's shop, so as they cross, if they see Mohanlal's shop, so they crossed the road. They were walking along. Both of them were walking, and they saw the Mohanlal shop, and they crossed the road. So next page, that is page number 74. He is seated behind the counter. So you know in the shop who will be there. One of the in the shop, when you go for the grocery shop, you can see on the counter a man will be sitting. They'll be having the supporters also who will put things and give you. So however, the Mohanlal was sitting on the counter. Sahil takes out grandmother list from his pocket. So they had a list of things. So what were the things the grandmother has written in that thing? So what were the list? Sugar of 1 kg. So what was that? First on the list, the first thing was sugar, then the bread, loaf of bread, candles, that was 1 packet, and toothbrushes 3. So this was the list. So Sahil, can we have 3 toothbrushes? So who told? Again the Sahil on the counter who was sitting, Mohanlal was sitting. So on the counter, Sahil told that they wanted 3 toothbrushes. Mohanlal, sure. Sahil, we also like kilo of sugar and a loaf of bread, please. So Sahil, as usual, how it was on the list, he started to read that list and he was telling whatever it was there for the Mohanlal. So Mohanlal was ready to give. So he was asking whatever he wanted. So he asked sugar, he asked a loaf of bread and for candles. Mohanlal. So here you are. That will be 29 rupees, Meena. What are those packets, Mohanlal? So whenever you go for the grocery shops and all, you'll be observing the things, whatever they have kept in the shop. So after taking the things, you remember many things which you would have not been written on the list. So after seeing, the Meena started to ask what are these and all in the packets and all. So Mohanlal started to tell what they had. Mohanlal told they are marigold seeds. Marigold are bright yellow flowers. I hope so. You have seen the marigold. That is the flower. It looks like sunflower only, but it is sunflower only, but it will be little smaller than the sunflower. Okay. So what Mohanlal told, so it was marigold seeds. Meena, oh, Sahil, shall we buy them? It's grandmother's birthday tomorrow. So here they had told. So this is the lesson name. So here a present for grandmother. So I told you. So here actually the one day after it was the granny's birthday. So here after seeing in the grocery shop, they started to think, if we give this present to granny, so it will be very useful for her. So they told, she told to his brother, that is Sahil, so we'll buy this marigold seeds, and she will plant these seeds, and she will be very happy to she'll be very happy to plant these seeds. So she was very happy to take these seeds. Next, Mohanlal, one packet cost 1 rupee. So what now here Meena, that is Meena and Sahil asked the cost of the marigold seed. They who are the Mohanlal told it costs 1 packet. So you would, whenever you take biscuits or any chips like that, you will ask how much is 1 packet. So here he told 1 packet cost 1 rupee. So here Mohanlal, 1 packet cost 1 rupee. Sahil, yes, we can buy 1 packet. See, I have 5 and 1, that is 6 rupees left. So how many rupees was left? Total amount was 29 rupees. So Mohanlal told 29 rupees, 1 rupees was left. So here they thought in that 1 rupee, so they are going to buy that marigold seed, that is seeds packet. Sahil, yes, we can buy 1 packet. See, I have 5 and 1, that is 6 rupees left. So and 6 rupees also left. Total it was 7 rupees left. So for 1 rupee they wanted to buy what? The marigold seeds. Meena, it will be a good present for her. She loves to plant things in the garden. So whenever you go to your granny's home in the villages or in the town, you can see a big garden where you can see varieties of flowers, varieties of vegetables also grown, because the granny will have, your grannies will love to plant the seeds and plants the vegetables or the fruits also. So here they thought, if we give the present which is very useful, so even the granny will be very happy what we are giving the present. The children buy a packet for their grandmother and go home. Grandmother is very happy to get the gift. So whatever the granny has told them, what the granny has told them to buy from the Mohanlal shop, they bought sugar, they bought loaf of bread, they bought candles and toothbrushes also. Along with that, what did they get? The present. They bought the marigold seed packet, and they presented to whom? They presented to grandmother. They presented to grandmother. Yeah, the grandmother was very happy because she loved to plant. She was very fond of plants. So she took the gift and she was very happy here. So the lesson was about what gift you give. So whatever you give the present, if you give with love to your elders, they'll accept you and they will be very happy with you. So here the present which the children gave to her grandmother, even the grandmother was very happy with the present, because that gives her happiness. That gives her happiness for granny also, even for the children also. So we saw here who that is Meena and Sahil. They came from the town. They came from the town to visit her granny. For I told you in the starting only, every year they used to visit her granny in the vacation, that was in the summer. So after when they visited her granny's home, her granny told to visit to go for the shop, that was Sohanlal's shop in the market in the town. So both were ready to go for the market, and they bought all the things whatever the granny has given her list. So they bought the things. Along with that, they took the present for her granny also. Here, after presenting the gift, even the grandma was very happy of the gift, and even the children were very happy. So next, you have some questions here to clear this something. Okay, did Sahil and Meena buy everything from grandma's list? Yes, they bought all the things. Why did the children buy their granny a present? Because it was her birthday. Whose birthday it was? It was the birthday of grandmother. What did the children forget to buy? The children forget to buy the candles. Okay. So how much money did grandmother give Sahil? So how much money? She gave 25 rupees. She gave 25 rupees. Next, answer the following question in sentence. So how did Sahil and Meena go to Mohanlal's shop? So they went to a walk. They went by a walk. How much did the children spend in Mohanlal's shop? So how much did they spend? They spent how many? 26 rupees. So what present did you buy for the grandmother? Say what did they buy? They bought the marigold seeds. Okay, children. So here next you have exercises also. So exercises you have to do by yourself, or I'll be sending through your WhatsApp group, and I send your notes also. So you have some hard words here. So hard words. First one is Sahil. S-A-H-I-L. Sahil. S-A-H-I-L. Sahil. Younger. Y-O-U-N-G-E-R. Younger. Y-O-U-N-G-E-R. Younger. Next. Summer. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. Course. C-O-U-R-S-E. Course. C-O-U-R-S-E. Course. Next. Careful. C-A-R-E. Care. F-U-L. Full. Careful. C-A-R-E. Care. F-U-L. Full. Please. P-L-E-A-S-E. Please. P-L-E-A-S-E. Please. Packets. P-A-C-K-E-T-S. Packets. P-A-C-K-E-T-S. Packets. Eighth one. Kilogram. K-I-L-O-G-R-A-M. Kilogram. K-I-L-O-G-R-A-M. Kilogram. Next one. Marigold. M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D. Marigold. M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D. Marigold. Next one. Pocket. P-O-C-K-E-T. Pocket. P-O-C-K-E-T. Pocket. So what you have to do, children? Today I have completed the lesson, a present for a grandmother. So you have to do what you have to do. You have to write these hard words each 5 times in your homework book, and learn. And you have to learn these words also. Please don't forget to read the lesson also. So it was a very interesting lesson for you. So even you, I hope so, whenever you visit your granny's home, so even you also give present to your granny's, no children? Yes. So I hope so you have understood the lesson, and please write these words. So through WhatsApp group I will be sending you notes. Thank you.